City lights blur through my window like tears I can't explain. Midnight settles on my shoulders, and it's just me and the rain. Your sweater hangs beside the doorway like you're coming back again. But the silence knows the truth now, and it's just me and the rain. Every drop upon the pavement sounds like your name falling down. It's just me and the rain tonight, talking to the empty sky, trying to find a reason why you had to say goodbye. The thunder echoes through my chest where your love used to remain. Now all that's left to hold me close is just me and the rain. I replay every little moment like a movie in my mind, searching through the broken pieces for the part I left behind. The street outside keeps shining softly, but nothing feels the same. The whole world keeps moving forward while I'm standing in the rain. If you ever miss me somewhere when the clouds begin to cry, know a piece of me is waiting beneath the same dark sky. It's just me and the rain tonight, and a heart that can't let go, holding on to fading memories of a love I'll never know again. The storm will pass, the dawn will come, but some hearts never change. Until then I'll keep surviving. It's just me and the rain. The clouds keep falling, the night remains, and it's just me